Hello everyone. Today we are going to unbox the latest Apple product and show you how the product looks. Apple has launched the Mac Mini M1 with its own chip for the first time. We will also review the Apple Mac Mini M1 for you and see what are the changes made by Apple. Let us begin with the unboxing. We have received Apple Mac Mini M1 in the mail. We are very excited to unpack it and get our hands on the new Mac product. The pricing for this one starts at $699. This one comes with 256GB SSD storage, which is an increment from its previous products. We must say the packaging is really good and looks safe. So as we can see that the Apple Mac Mini M1 is safely placed in a box which is sealed with plastic covering, and you can check the details on the back. Finally, here is the latest Mac product, Apple Mac Mini M1. This is the top, which is in the new silver color compared to the previous version. And this is how it looks from the bottom. A black adhesive tray is placed over the ports to keep them safe and clean. The back includes 2 Thunderbolt USB 4 ports, 1 HDMI 2 port, 2 USB-A ports, and a GB Ethernet port. What else is in the package? Well, it comes with a manual and a power cable. Connector does not come along with this package, and we have to get it separately to connect it to the monitor. Mac Mini M1 seems really nice, so let's start the setup. First, connect it to the monitor and turn it on. Select language and country and region. Click on continue for next to see the accessibility features. We have skip by clicking on not now. Connect to Wi-Fi network to register it with your Apple ID. Next is the data and privacy page. Read and continue to next. Under Migration Assistant, select a Windows PC or Mac to transfer your information, or you can skip it for later. Sign in with your Apple ID and create an Apple ID if you're new. We have set up the two-step verification for security purposes. Accept the terms and condition agreement. Create your profile for your computer, enter the credentials and click on continue. The iCloud takes time to set up your account. Enter the password and move to the next settings to find My, Express Setups and Analytics, Screen Time, etc. Choose the appearance, which gives you the option for the theme on display. The Mac Mini configuration starts and initiates setup for the keyboard identification under the Keyboard Setup Assistant. As we enter the desktop, we see that the Mac OS Big Sur is pre-installed on it, which is latest Mac OS version. The resolution is really good and the graphics are amazing. And this is the biggest improvement from the previous Mac products. Let us take a look at the configuration of Mac Mini M1. The memory is 16GB and the chip is M1 with an 8-core CPU to improve overall performance. The biggest factor still remains, as the 8-core GPU is one of the fastest part to increase the graphics performance. With the major upgrade in the Apple Mac Mini with the M1 chip, the build quality, CPU and graphics improvement compared to other Mac products, we would recommend it highly. Let us know about your views on Apple Mac Mini M1 in the comments below, and thank you for watching.